Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen. Have you tried stir fries with some red oil? Give it a try, you will love it. The taste is heavenly. It's so great. If you have not tried this, try this. Eh? And so this one is vegan keto diet, and we are going to use red oil for this stir fry. It's so sumptuous. Please give this a try. And so we have some green bell pepper, spring onions here. We also have some carrots here, and we have some cucumbers also here. And this is green chili. I want a bit of hotness in there. We have some onions, dry parsley, all pepper seasoning, black and white pepper, and this is our vegan meat. Yes, I have a link in the description box for on how to prepare this vegan meat. So when you watch it, just prepare some, fry it, and then after frying, just cut them into smaller pieces. We also have some oil and our salt and cabbage. And so I have our saucepan on fire, and we are going to pour our oil in, allow it to warm up, and the next thing we are going to do is to pour in our vegan meat. Even though we have fried it already, we will begin with that. Give it a stir for a minute. Continue stirring for a minute. Let it cook and absorb all the red oil flavor and taste. Then you add your green chili also to it. As I said, the green chili is optional, but if you want it, hey, it adds some flavor and nice taste to it, and a bit of hotness in there. For me there, I love that bit of hotness. Okay, and so I just added my carrots also to it, and we are going to stir fry this for 1 minute. Yes, stir frying it for 1 minute, and the next vegetable we are going to add is our cabbage. Yes, so and then we'll stir fry it. And so please, if you are watching me and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Like this video, share, and leave a comment, okay? And hey, if you really want to lose weight, just take it one day at a time, and you definitely get there. If you're not a vegetarian, I have a diet or a challenge on for non-vegans. Just visit the challenge, 30 days challenge, visit the channel and watch them. So we just added our green bell pepper and our cucumbers also to it. And we are going to stir fry that also for another minute. Yes, so another minute. We wouldn't want our veggies to be very tender, no. And so at this point, we are going to add some seasonings to it. We are going to add a black pepper, just a quarter teaspoon will do. Our white pepper also. We're going to add our all-purpose seasoning, and this all-purpose seasoning is a mixture of onion, garlic, and ginger. So it's vegan or vegetarian friendly, and I'm sprinkling some salt solution to it, and that's because the salt that I use is the stone type. So usually I make it into a solution form. And so we'll stir everything together and allow it to cook for a minute. You are not going to let it be on fire for long at all. We want to still feel that crunchiness in it. Okay, so dear, if you are here and you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing, like and share this video. So just cover for some 30 seconds, and then we are done. Take it off. We are going to add our spring onions and also our chopped onions to it. Stir everything together, give it 30 seconds, and that is it for our recipe we need to enjoy. So we are just adding a bit of dry parsley to it, and this is heavenly. Try stir fry with red oil, palm oil, and you will give a testimony. In fact, try this and let me know whether you enjoyed it or not. And hey, my vegan friends out there, this recipe, you will love every bit of it. So it is ready. Yes, it is ready, and we are done. We are going to put the fire off and serve it and enjoy it. Okay, my dear, so this is it for today's recipe, our vegan keto recipe. You enjoy every bit of it. So you can enjoy this with a cup of green tea. You can enjoy this with a cup of almond milk. Get your flat tummy water, just add sweetener to it and it becomes a drink for you. You can enjoy it with it, or a cup of bulletproof coffee and you are good to go. And so this is it for today's challenge. This is it for today's menu, today's recipe. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing because I have more and more vegan recipes for you. Like and share this video, leave a comment, and watch out for another awesome and sumptuous vegan recipe. My dear, give this a try and you will not regret at all. Try stir fry with palm oil, red oil, and you will give a testimony. Have a blessed day and have a healthy lifestyle. Bye bye.